What's going on, everybody? Coffee. International Auto Show, day 2. I don't even know what day is better, yesterday or today. Like, I don't even know.
There was a lot of reveals yesterday.
There was a lot.
I guess it was good.
What's your favorite car so far?
I don't know. I think it's a Genesis concept.
West Coast Customs, by the way.
Yeah.
Awesome job on that Stinger. Awesome job on that Stinger. So much stuff we have officially in store for C4 Nation, for the channel, C4 Lifestyle, the apparel line, the whole 9 yards. As things progress, I'll be launching all that type of info on the website and also on the video channel, better said. What else? I don't know. We have a few more booths to go to, because I need to get more coffee. I don't know. I don't know. It's a pretty chill day today, thank God. Thank God. Mikey, how do you feel?
Pretty awesome.
Okay. That's good. Just making sure my camera guy's okay. No, that's pretty much it.
Yeah, chill day.
Chill day, thank God. Like I said, we're gonna go to a few more booths. Probably get more lattes. A few other cars. That Ford Ranger that Rob was talking about.
We gotta go see that now.
JDM City. Nice seeing you, buddy.
Yeah.
What else? And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, Chris O'Neill too. Awesome seeing you yesterday, my friend, as always. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna wrap up the video quick. We're gonna get a few more shots in. Officially, my OSMO is out of memory, so your boy needs to buy more SD cards. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, keep it custom, my friends. Catch you guys in a little bit. I got it. Need more coffee. This coffee is life.
Where's this old cars?
Yeah, why not? And day 2 is by far the best day here so far, guys.
The best.
Oh yeah, the best.
The best.
Making moves. This is where it's at.
Stay tuned, though.
God,
Well, not
I love media. Why weren't we doing this before?
I don't even know. I don't know.
So much fun stuff. Hey, guys, be happy. I've only had 2 lattes so far. More to come.
Way more to come.
Way more to come. Way more to come. I guess it kind of looks like me. Doesn't, I mean, I don't own a Ford. Unless Ford, you want to send me a Mustang, then by all means, I'll drive one hard. See what else? I just take this. That's perfect.
So it's the Raptor 3.
Just turn. Well, boys and girls, we hope you like all the clips on our Snapchats, our Instagrams, and everything else. Pretty much this wraps up day 2 of the International Auto Show here in New York City. Again, thank you, International Auto Show, for giving us our passes. We couldn't be happier. We hope you guys like the outcome of the videos and everything else. If you guys do have a chance to go, definitely recommend it. Check out the entire show. Check out the rides. Anything else you want to add, Fluffster? I mean, it's been a fun day.
It's been a fun 2 days.
Been a fun 2 days. Reveals, meetings, press conferences. So much networking, it's not even funny. Yeah, so pretty much it. Wraps it up. I hope you guys liked the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Give us a thumbs up if you're feeling like an awesome human being. As always, my friends, keep it custom, because life's way too short to stay stock. I'll catch you guys on the next one.